Hi, welcome to my channel again. I want to show you how to get more out of your sweet potato vines. Potatoes run anywhere they run, they'll grow, if you leave them in the soil. I see many people doing potatoes and putting them up on a trellis. You get much more from your potatoes if you actually, when they run, you dig a hole. And I just dug this hole. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. And I'm going to just stick the potatoes in here and cover it up. I'll come back and do that, but just to show you. And as soon as anywhere they run along, you just put them in a hole, dig a little hole and put them in it, and then you cover them up. And potatoes will bear, it will bear potatoes along where you cover them up, So that's another way to get more from your potatoes. If you look at these over here, I did a lot of them earlier, and I get so tired of doing it, but I think I'll get much more from my potatoes if I when I know I get more from potatoes. It's tropical. We grow them in Jamaica, and my father was a farmer and he grew potatoes and lots of other stuff, tomatoes, and they dig the land, and when the potatoes run, it run along the top of the soil, and then it grows every time it get into the soil, it puts down root and grow. So you could do the same thing with your potatoes. Instead of putting them on a trellis, run them along the ground. If they're in pots, you can, if they go over the pot, you put them, let them catch in the soil anywhere. You get more from your potatoes that way. I hope I'm able to another side of the garden around the house, where I have another set of potatoes, sweet potatoes, and as you can see, I keep burying it along. Don't know why those leaves fell off, but anyway, I keep burying it everywhere, so as to get more potatoes from it. Right here, you can see I buried it right here also, and it's growing again, and as soon as that get a little longer, I'll bury it again. Alright, so I hope you get something from this video and learn something, how to get more potatoes from your potato vines. Here's some more right here, and I keep burying it, and here's a new shoot coming up again, and I just buried it right off here a couple days ago, and it's coming up again, and I'm going to bury another. Once it gets a little longer, I'll bury it again. Thanks for watching. Enjoy my videos, make a comment, and please subscribe. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers, so please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.